Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Talk. Today we are going to look at this Logitech Blue Yeti Premium Multi-Pattern USB microphone. This is not a review, this is just an unboxing which I got this new piece from the Best Buy for $104 plus tax, which is $110. After using this Jabra headphones for so long time, I thought of getting something new for myself, just for my personal usage or to use for my work, and want to try something different. And I looked at Google reviews, I looked at so many reviews, I did some search within the $100 range, and I know that Blue Yeti, lot of YouTubers have been using it, and some have negative reviews, some have positive reviews depending on usage. So I thought, let me give it a try. So this is just an unboxing and then quick setup, not a review. Let's take a quick look at it. I know there are a lot of reviewers, a lot of YouTubers suggested with so many issues, or they're using different, like the microphones are different companies. So I did some research, and I believe them that they're using, they're providing valuable research. And still I thought, okay, even after couple of negative reviews I saw, and then I still think that, okay, let me try this one. So it comes with this little manual, and it comes with this USB cable, and here it is, the piece itself. I will be careful. If it doesn't work, I have to return it. And anything inside, I think that's it. So this is quick unboxing and not much inside. Again, manuals, with quick setup. Probably I'm going to use this for some of my YouTube podcast videos, and if it works. This is really sturdy, and this is sitting strong on my desk. So after unboxing, this is how it looks, the black color one, and then I think here is the link for the boom arm connection, and then I think microphone connection, and then USB-C port connection. And here it says pattern gain, and then other side mute button, volume button, and that's all I see. So I'm going to connect this to my computer, my laptop, and I'm going to see how it looks, and then I'm going to show you the sound when I speak with this Blue Yeti and versus my Jabra headphones. Alright, let's see how it looks. So another thing I observed was this is really, like loose. I think this is how it came up with in a packaging. So once you turn it on your side, you just have to, tighten these screws. um, I think when you loosen these screws, maybe you can pick it up and you can attach to this boom arm. And I'm going to tighten these. That's another important thing I did not realize when I'm setting up. I saw these screws are loose. You just have to make sure that this is standing still. um, all right, now this is good. Okay, when I'm setting up this Blue 80, what I observed was when I'm keep on, like moving here and there, this is getting loose. So you have to make sure that you again adjust these two, like kind of screws to make sure this is sturdy. And then also make sure that this is, like standing straight. And there is a volume button here, and also volume control or like dial, which needs to be, like pointing your side. And also the behind there is a gain, and somebody suggested that keep it as low as possible, not to mute yourself. And if I am recording solo myself, use the cardioid mode, which is heart kind of symbol here. Little hard to turn this one, but like um, you can turn it and then use the cardioid mode if you are using the like solo recording. And see, this is getting loose again, so I have to make sure before recording this stays sturdy. And then I connected my headphones here to hear myself, and then I'm connecting to my computer USB port. Alright, now I see a little icon, it says Dolby Access, and Dolby Atmos for speakers is ready to use. Okay, now while it is connected and the mute button shows red light, and then when I click on and another time it shows like blinking, looks like it's a mute. When I click on again another time, and then it is ready to talk. So let me see if I can record something using this one. Hello, hello, Blue 80 testing. This is Blue 80 testing. How you feel about the sound? This is Blue 80 testing. Please comment below. This is Jabra headphones testing. This is Jabra headphones testing. Let me know how you feel about the sound. Do you see any difference between Blue 80 and this? Let me know. Alright, I spent so much time on researching why I'm getting this background noise. So after spending so much time, maybe 1 hour, 2 hours, I found a YouTube video thanks to the YouTuber. I'll provide the link below. It says that try a couple of options. One is uh, trying to make some changes in your sound settings through your control panel. So I'm using Windows 10. If you're using Windows 10 or 11, so see what you have in Windows 11, the options. But in Windows 10 control panel, you should be able to have similar thing in Windows 11 too. But Windows 10, go to control panel and hardware and sound, and click on sound, and another window opens up. click on recording, and then you have Yeti stereo microphone with a green check mark, and click on properties, and then click on levels, and then he recommended adjusting the microphone level. Earlier I had 90, so adjust it to 20 or 25 around that area, and then apply. If not, click OK, click OK. And another thing is, I also disconnected my laptop from wall charger, and that's another idea he gave. And right now this clip, this bit, I'm talking through Blue Yeti microphone. Another suggestion he provided was, and completely, you know, turning up your gain. So I did only halfway through. And what do you think about the sound? Let me know in the comments. Thank you.